What's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. I'm shooting this from my cell phone. As you can see, I'm not in Studio A or Studio B. I just wanted to just talk to you guys for a few minutes here on Sunday night and just briefly go over a few things. I didn't have the time to pipe everything up and all of that. But let's talk about a couple of things. First of all, for those of you that's new to the page, please feel free to go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, and a notification bell. A lot of you guys are just watching and you haven't hit the subscribe button, so you're gonna miss some very important information. Just go ahead and do that. And then for those of you that know, I literally love the Webull trading app. And if you deposit $100, you get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. There's a link provided below, all right? Also, I have the COINBASE app. So I talked about the stock ADA or Cardano. You could purchase it on the COINBASE app. You can also get your, Ethereum and Coinbase there. I'm sorry, Ethereum and Bitcoin there. And it's a great way for you to get into true cryptocurrency, okay? So let's talk about what kind of recapping the future with EVs and two in particular. I looked at what happened with the earnings calls from Tesla and Nio. And like I forestated, I know I'm repeating this, but it's important that we understand that I believe that when Tesla dips under $700, that it's a buy and for long term. I'm not thinking about selling my Tesla until 2035. And the same thing for Nio. When Nio is under $38, it dipped down to $37. I just continue to buy more Nio. And I buy it every time it dips under those prices. Nio under 30, actually Nio under 37 really is a good buy for me. And Tesla under 700. And I believe that these two stock, as far as high growth stock or EVs, electric vehicles, are at great positions. And I also suggest that you put them in a different portfolio, right? I'm suggesting now that you have your high growth stock in another portfolio. And so those are the ones that you don't have to watch every day because you know it's going up. You know in 5 years, 3 to 5 years, it's going to be higher than where it is today, right? And then, so we know about those. Everybody talks about Tesla and Nio, right? But then for the charging stations, we always talk about ChargePoint. But I believe in getting in the first, in second, and maybe third, contenders. And we all know about Plug. A lot of people are into Plug. A lot of people are into Blink and then Fuel Cell. But I really want you guys to look at CLII, EVgo. I'm actually adding more positions there because I see a catalyst for them to grow. And you may say, what is their purchase price? Actually, where it is now. I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm buying new shares every week of CLII, and I'm good where I'm at with ChargePoint. We loaded up at $20, and it showed that was a good price, and it's back up now, $25, and no telling where it's going to be Monday morning. But there, you even though you're in the same industry, you could diversify within the same industry. So I think that CLII, if you don't have any, is something you need to start looking at. Now, there's a third EV that I believe that is a high growth stock, and it was a traditional car company, what we call a legacy company. And I made a video a while back saying after I got it out of the Tesla, I was upset at the legacy car companies, right? Because of the technology that we've had and just didn't implement. And so GM is like, it's now I'm no longer adding any more positions to CCIV. I'm just telling what Larry is doing. I'm only adding to GM. They will be, I believe, over forward. I believe that GM will be America's number one by 2040. Could be by 2035. But they're making bold predictions, and they're dumping a lot of money into electric vehicles. And just remember, they already have facilities set up. So EVs, what make them so hard to be profitable year after year is they have to spend so much money building these giga plants and R&D and infrastructure, right? GM already has it in place. So GM, all they have to do is retool, right? And so I want to encourage you guys that have the Tesla, that have the Nio, that have the charge point. I want you to start looking at GM, General Motors, and CLII to add to those positions. And I think that this chip shortage is presenting a buying opportunity. It really is. Eventually, the chip shortage problem will be a problem of the past. And so I believe that it's time to buy now and just hold. So for those of you that don't have the Webull, go ahead and download the Webull app. The link is below. Click the link below, deposit $100 and start adding to your high growth positions. And hey, it's something that it's going to look great, by 2025 or 2023. Okay. And so we have to start in an environment like this. It is best to be investing and not day trading, right? Investing to me is the best thing that you could be doing right now. And then down the road, we're going to talk about profit taking, all right? Knowing when to take profits and when to get out. Okay, good people. So I just want to recap. I know that these are all EVs and electric vehicles, but I'm investing in the future because I believe that's where the most money is going to be made over the next 5 years. Okay. And there's a lot happening in the crypto world. For those of you that already have the Webull app, you can buy the DogeCoin. I hear a lot of people saying it. I know I was, one of the first that said it, that, hey, and it's no secret. If Elon Musk gets on Saturday Night Live on the 8th, he's going to mention Dogecoin. And when I said that, I believe it was at 28 cents. And look at it now. I believe it was like 38, 39 cents. So it already ran up. And I just believe that it's a catalyst, him being on the show, spiking it up. I believe he's going to spike it. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, for those of you that's holding Doge long, you go ahead and hold long. But I'm telling you, Monday morning, if it runs up, I'm selling my Dogecoin and wait for it to pull back, and then I'm going to get back in. Now, I don't have a big position in Doge, right? I have a big position, in Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. I have a big position in it. Of course, I have Ethereum and some Bitcoin, but I have my biggest position in Cardano because I feel strongly about Cardano. And if you don't have Cardano, I have a link below, and it's the COINBASE app. And Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, is available in the COINBASE app, good people. All right? Hey, listen, if you see any correspondence below talking about a WhatsApp, a phone number, or talk to my broker, it is not me. I'm doing everything I can to protect you guys, not just on my page, on anybody's page. All right, good people. So remember, you got the 2 links below, the Coinbase app, and you have the Webull app. I would just go ahead and download them both and deposit some money. You're going to thank me down the road. Okay, good people. So I just wanted to keep this short. I'm shooting it on my cell phone. I'm in the movie theater with no movie on. But I just wanted to get this shot really quick without piping up everything. I just got in from the city. I was doing an investment class at a church. So I was actually teaching people at a church how to invest, how to open up. I was helping people open up their Webull accounts and Fidelity accounts so they could participate in the $5 a day cup of coffee. $5 a day challenge, $1 million cup of coffee. All right, good people. So I'm running out of my voice because I've just been talking, and I love doing stuff like that. I love getting new people to do something they never done before. People that never thought that they would invest. I like something that Wall Street Trapper says, investing looks like us now. And, I take that even broader. I mean, that just means everybody. It's just not the old rich guys with the suits. Investors look like us now. Wall Street looks like us now. And I love that. And I know what Trapper was saying. And Trapper, he goes to plighted neighborhoods and he's spreading this wealth and of knowledge. And he's saying that it looks like us now. And it's time for us to get some of our money, because believe it or not, the millions of dollars that these hedge fund managers have been making, some of that money is ours. It really is. It is. So I'm gonna leave it right there, good people. Look, be kind and rewind. I'm always gonna say be kind and rewind. And hey, I love each and every one of you guys. When I was at the church, I was saying, hey, I need to get back to my family. They were like, I thought your kids was grown and going. I says, no, my YouTube family, my stock up family. I love each and every one of you guys. And I know some of you guys never hear that. You're in situations where you never hear that, but I absolutely do. I've never seen you, but I have a connection with you. And hey, we're going to enjoy this journey. We're going to go through the hard times together, through the good times together. But at the end of this, we're going to celebrate. Okay. All right. Live, love, laugh, and learn.